Hello students, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to start our third unit of our English practice book, that is apostrophe. What is an apostrophe? You can see a comma in bracket after the word apostrophe here. This is called apostrophe. It is put a little above between two letters. Comma we put below, but this apostrophe is also like comma, but it is put a little above the letter. Let's see how it is used. Before starting the unit of our English practice book, let's learn something about apostrophe. Uses of apostrophe. The apostrophe can be used in the following ways. There are two uses of apostrophe. Number one, to show possession or relationship. Number two, to contract or shorten the words. Look at the examples. This is Rima's bag. That is Mohit's umbrella. Next, we are going to market. And the last sentence, Samir can't swim. Look at the first two examples, Rima's bag and Mohit's umbrella. Here, apostrophe S has been used to show the possession. In the first sentence, bag belongs to Rima, and in the second sentence, umbrella belongs to Mohit. And in sentence number 3 and 4, we are and can't. These are two contractions. We have combined two words in these two words. In the first, we are is made up of two words, we plus are, and can't is made up of can plus not. And by using apostrophe, we have shortened these two words. Now let's something more about apostrophe. This is the first use of apostrophe, possession, ownership or belongingness. Means someone possesses something, or it shows the ownership, or it shows the belongingness, that someone belongs to someone. Look at the examples. Jatin's shoes are new. Shoes belong to Jatin. Rajan's friends are coming in the evening. Friends किसके हैं? राजन के. Friends belong to Rajan. Pooja's mother is a doctor. Mother belongs to Pooja. That's my uncle's car. Car belongs to uncle. I am going to my grandmother's house. House belongs to the grandmother. The children's clothes are in the next row. Here the clothes belong to children. The teacher's staff room is on the first floor. Staff room belongs to the teachers. The girls' dance was wonderful. Here the dance belongs to the girls. Student, in sentence number 1 to 6, we have used apostrophe with S. But in the sentence number 7 and 8, we have just used only apostrophe, because in the plural nouns which end in S or ES, we use only apostrophe without S. So this you have to keep in mind, that whenever it's a plural noun ending in S or ES, जिस भी नाउन के एंड में प्लूरल नाउन होगा और उसके एंड में एस और ES आएगा, तो वी शैल यूज ओनली एस apostrophe without S. to show the belongingness or possession. Next is contractions. The second use of apostrophe is in contractions. And what is a contraction? A contraction is a shortened form of words in which two words are joined together by using an apostrophe and removing one or more letters. So, what is a contraction? Contraction is a shortened form of words. हम टू वर्ड्स को शॉर्ट करके कुछ लेटर्स रिमूव करके हम उसकी जगह अपोस्ट्रोफी यूज़ कर देते हैं एंड दैट बिकम्स अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. व्हाट प्लस इज़, अगर व्हाट और इज़ को हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, शॉर्टन कर दें, तो ये बन जाएगा व्हाट्स. व्हाट्स योर नेम? इट एंड इट बिकम्स इट्स. इट्स अ गुड आइडिया. I and will, these two words become I'll. I'll help you. She plus would, it becomes she would. She would like to eat ice cream. Do and not becomes don't. I don't know the answer. Can plus not becomes can't. He can't dance. Students, note that when we join will plus not and shall plus not, the spellings are changed. They become won't and shan't. Means will plus not becomes won't and shall plus not becomes shan't. Now let's move to our practice book, Unit 3. You can open your books on page number 21. Look at the first worksheet. Read the following extract from H2 Monday Morning Blues, unit Growing Up of My English Reader. Hey, Tom, Tom, what's the matter? Tom moaned out. Oh, don't joggle me. But I must. It's awful. How long have you been this way? Oh, don't sit, I'm dying, said Tom. No, Tom, you aren't dying. You are all right. So this is an extract from the lesson Monday Morning Blues. In this extract, so many contractions has been used. Now work with your partner. In the blurbs below, write down all the words that are formed by joining two words together. The first one has been done for you. Look at the first word, what's. What's means what is. Don't. Second word is don't. And don't is made up of two words, do, not. It's. It's means it is. I am. I am means I am. Next is ain't. Ain't means are not. You are. You are means you are. So this is how contractions can be made. The two words can be shortened by using apostrophe. Now let's move to the next page. Remember, students, that the words in which apostrophe has been used are called contractions. A contraction is a shortened form of words. An apostrophe replaces the letter removed in a contraction. We have already discussed this. The full form of ain't is are not. An apostrophe is also used to show that a thing belongs to someone or something, or it shows that a noun owns something. I have already told you that the second use of apostrophe is to show possession or ownership. Look at the examples. Notebooks belonging to the girl we say like this, that the girls' notebooks, and the hostel meant for girls can be said like this, the girls' hostel. It is a plural noun, girls, so we have just put apostrophe after the girls. And in the first example, it's a single girl notebooks, so we have put apostrophe s. Now look at some more example in the next worksheet. Worksheet number 2, work with your partner. Meet Anita and Rajan. Here we have two pictures. The girl is Anita and the boy is Rajan. Given on the next page are the pictures of a few things which belong to them. Write down in the spaces provided whether these things belong to Anita or Rajan. Use an apostrophe to save time. The first one is done for you. Students, you have to look at these two pictures carefully, and there are different things on the two tables, and now we have to show by using apostrophe which thing belongs to whom. Look at the first picture, sunglasses. The sunglasses belong to Anita, so the first example has been done for you. These are Anita's sunglasses. Sunglasses plural noun है, तो इसके लिए हमने यूज़ किया these. And pen is singular, so pen belongs to Rajan. This is Rajan's pen. Briefcase also belongs to Rajan, so this is Rajan's briefcase. Next is umbrella belongs to Anita. This is Anita's umbrella. Next is picture number 5. Here we have some books. So these are Anita's books. तो बुक्स प्लूरल हैं तो हम इसको these लिखेंगे. These are Anita's books. Calculator belongs to Rajan, so this is Rajan's calculator. File also belongs to Rajan. This is Rajan's file. On the table there are many files, but this here we have just one file, so we will write that this is Rajan's file. And the hat belongs to Anita. It is on Anita's table, so this is Anita's hat. So rest of the lesson we shall do tomorrow. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.